Okay. Now we consider cells of equal EMF in parallel. Sa ngayon, i-consider lang natin yung parallel combination ng circuit with equal EMF. Ibang case na kasi kapag magkakaiba yung internal voltage ng batteries. Let's say meron tatlong cells in parallel. Okay. Equal yung EMF, that is the total EMF equals yung EMF ng bawat isa. Okay. Iyan yung requirement for satisfactory operation of EMF in parallel or cells in parallel. It is required that their EMF must be equal. Okay, kahit na magkakaiba yung internal resistance. Okay. Sa circuit na ito, kung saan naka-parallel, bawat isang cell ay magpo-produce ng kanya-kanyang current. Okay, since they are connected in parallel, the total current is the sum of these currents coming from each cell. Okay. Since each cell, kung will be producing voltage across its terminal na common sa bawat cell. Okay? Yun. Kapag nag-measure tayo rito ng voltage using a voltmeter, yung ma-measure natin voltage sa bawat cell na equal naman. Okay? Magkakaparehas man or magkakaiba yung kanilang EMF, laging equal yung voltage na na-measure dito. Pero hindi yan equal sa E1 equal to E2 equal to E3. Okay? Mako-compute natin yan. Okay? Using yung formula kanina, the voltage across cell 1 is equal to E1 minus I times R1. Okay? Equal din yan sa E2 minus I times R2. Then equal din yan sa E3 minus I3 times R3. Yan. Kaya kung i-compute natin yung current na isusupply ng bawat cell for I1, okay, this is equal to E1 minus V over R1. Then I2 is E2 minus V over R2. Then I3 is E3 minus V over R3. Yung current capacity ng bawat isa ay nakadepende sa kanyang internal resistance. Habang bumababa yung value ng internal resistance, yung current capacity niya mataas. Kung tumataas na yung internal resistance, ibig sabihin na di-discharge na yung battery, yung value ng current na kaya niyang i-deliver ay bumababa na rin. Kaya kung primary cell yan or hindi siya storage cell or hindi siya rechargeable, itatapon na lang yan. Yan ay dahil yung internal resistance niya mataas na. Okay, mababa na kasi yung ah, current na kaya niyang i-produce. Okay, for the total current, this is the sum of the currents I1 plus I2 plus I3. Mali yung equation kanina. Sa series circuit lang yan. Sa parallel circuit, ito yung sum ng current. Mas maraming cells in parallel, mas mataas yung current. Kaya we connect cells in parallel when the load requires higher current. We connect cells in series when the load requires higher voltage. Okay? Regardless sa dami ng cells in series, hindi tumataas yung current doon. Then still in total power for the circuit is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Then pag na-solve na natin yung total EMF, yung total current, yung total resistance naman, using yung reciprocal formula, 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay. The total internal resistance is equal to the equivalent resistance of these three resistances in parallel. Okay, direct current circuit lang ito. Okay. Okay, for identical cells, ibig sabihin equal yung EMF, that is E total is equal to E1 equal to E2 equal to E3, and yung internal resistance pare-parehas lang. Okay. Ano yung value ng total internal resistance? This is simply yung value ng R divided by number ng parallel paths, parallel cells. Okay, yung small n, number ng series cells, capital N, number of parallel cells. Yan. Kaya kung merong tatlong resistances ng value ng bawat isa, halimbawa 3 ohms, at total internal resistance is 3 ohms divided by 3. Okay, kung dalawa lang, 3 divided by 2. Okay, depende sa number ng parallel cells.